Guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here new on this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell so that you get inspired whenever I post a new video. So today we are not going to be drafting any tutorial.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Yeah, baby.
Welcome to my channel.
Tell them to subscribe.
Tell them to subscribe.
No, I'm telling you to tell them to subscribe.
Okay,
Subscribe to my channel.
subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Alexandra Valentine and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today, in today's video, we are not going to be drafting any pattern or sewing any fabric or anything as such. We are just going to be taking basic measurements, like for a full scale measurement. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to take a full scale measurement, because this will be very necessary for the next video I'll be uploading. So stay tuned guys, stay with me to the end. For a full body scale measurement, we will need shoulder, bust. Okay, let me give you the basics. So for drafting a pattern, we need their horizontal lines and vertical lines. The horizontal lines are the round measurements, like so, like this. Then why the vertical measurements are those ones like this. You understand? So I'm just going to be taking off this jacket now so that I show you guys what I'm talking about. So now when you want to take a measurement, first thing first, you want to check the depth of your neckline. So the depth of your neckline is like from your shoulder down to your collarbone, which is, as you can see, this is 3 inches. And then for the width, the width of your neckline, like from this point down to this point, like about 7 inches, right? So that's that about the depth and the width of your neckline. Then you want to take your shoulder measurement, that's from this point to this point. So let's do that now. Right, so I have 14 here. So that's for the shoulder. Now mind you, when taking any measurement that is not going around but it is horizontal, but it's not going around, like this shoulder, now it will be divided into two because you're folding your fabric into 4. That's this, the front part you folded it into 2, then the back part you folded it into 2. That is into a fold of 4. So that's your round. Now like anything you take round like this will be divided into 4 because your pattern or your fabric is folded into 4. But for anything that is not going round, like for your shoulder, will be divided into 2. Do you understand? And now for taking the measurements for your other horizontal lines, like your bust, is from your shoulder to your bust point, then to your under bust, and your chest line should be somewhere around here, which is 6 inches for mine. You understand? It depends on how high you want your, or how low you want your chest line to be. So your chest line should be somewhere around here, but for me it is 6 inches. Then your bust points, then under bust, right? Now for the horizontal, that is for the vertical lines. Then for the horizontal lines, you're going to be taking your measurements like so for the horizontal lines. So, and when you take this, you divide it into 4. That is for your bust. Then for your under bust, you should be under your bust like this. Then you divide it into 4. Then for your waist, it is from your, for the vertical, it is from your shoulder down to your waist, right? Then you take for the horizontal and divide it into 4. You understand? Now for a full scale, that is from your waist to down parts of your body. Now you want to take, maybe you want to get the position of your hip. I hope you guys are hearing me. You want to get the position of your hip. It is from your waist down to this point here where your hip is sitting. So mine is around 9 inches, right? And then you take your hip measurement like this. That's for your horizontal line, and then you divide it into 4. Now for a full body measurement, like from your shoulder down to your knee or to your ankle, you take that. For the vertical line, you take it like this, then measure down to your knee or to your ankle. Now if it is for a pencil dress, it is your hip plus minus your hip minus 2, then plus 2. It is still your hip measurement. So you just go ahead and insert your hip measurement for the hem of your dress. That is if it is a pencil skirt or a long gown, like a pencil gown you are making. You understand? Now let's go right to the sleeve. Your sleeve now, it depends on how long you want your sleeve to be, either from your shoulder to your upper arm or to your elbow or to your wrist. And then your upper arm, you will also take the round measurement, which is the horizontal line, right? And then you take your elbow measurement too. For the horizontal, I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Then for your wrist, if it is not a stretchy fabric, you don't need to if it is a stretchy fabric, you can take your measurement here, but with a little bit of space, so that you'll be able to insert your hand into the sleeve of your clothes. But if it is not a stretchy fabric, please do not take any measurements here for your wrist. The measurement you're supposed to take is like so. So this is the measurement for your wrist. You understand? Now for anything sleeve or tie, when taking a trouser, a measurement for your trouser or your sleeve, your horizontal line should be divided into 2, okay? Because it will be folded into 2. You understand? It will be folded into 2. So it needs to be divided into 2, unlike the body part that is folded into 4, the front 2, the back 2. But the sleeve does not have front and back, so it should be divided into 2. You understand? So that is that about um a full body scale measurement. So if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support me as you gain from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. See you in my next video.